Hi, Candace Vaughan here with JTM Food Group, featuring our whole grain mini corn dogs made with turkey. 6 in a serving, and they are CN labeled as well as Smart Snack certified. So I've already heated these corn dogs, packaging them up, and ready to go into our meals. Kids love mini corn dogs, don't they? Alright, don't forget to visit our website at jtmfoodgroup.com. Click on the products tab, and then you can scroll down to K-12 documents for more information on all of our K-12 items and our curbside meals and emergency feeding during COVID-19. Thanks so much and have a great day.